Um, this guys was my new TV remote from the new TV. Look at the other one, isn't it? Uh, I was gonna whack it, but it's working. It's working barely. You guys can hear it, but that's the old TV. It's working fine. I don't need to whack it. I don't know, maybe because the sensor. Not sure. I thought the pencil case and pencil can whack easily, but no. So now they look good for me. I'm using a different pencil this time. I used the purple one. And then my pink one there. Over there beside the table. So let's get this one wrapped in. Now I'm making it slowly because I don't want to break it. I just got the uni remote. That's just stupid. Yes guys, the leg's broken from the other one. The reason why I feel it's not working because my audio camera is not working properly. So that's probably why. See? The more I whack it, the more stuff's gonna come out of it. Stupid thing. Stupid thing. When it only works, still working? Oh, I thought I whacked the crap out of it, but to now I didn't whack it. Is the phone work still? Of course it did. Wow. I'm surprised it didn't lock it. I must have locked it while I was trying to remove the battery and put a new one in. Stupid dumb pencil. Try and whack my fancy TV stand. This rubber bit's not good anymore. One is best to scrap out the lid. It works automatically. Stupid thing. Alright, that's it. No more.